So here we are again. The holiday is almost over. It's the Friday before we leave to Silverstone. I'm here where we park the trucks just to put our hospitality trucks outside because they're behind the gate and they arrive late today, so the gate will be closed. That's why I'm gonna put it outside. That also gives me the opportunity to put my stuff already in the truck for Monday. I'm leaving on Monday, so just one more weekend off and then it's off to Silverstone. So let's hope we have a good second half of the season. It's time to dust off these bad boys. They had a long holiday as well, so yeah, it's hopefully we can get some good results in the second half. Hopefully we can improve, maybe Honda can improve, so only time will tell, right? So fingers crossed and let's go. Okay, so the check-in is done. I just have to go through customs and also get everything stamped, the carnets again. And here's a little example of one. Okay, so this is the carnet for one of the engines. You can see it's from JP, so Japan. It's all marked from the Japanese Chamber of Commerce. And then here you can write down what you're gonna import or export. This is actually exportation, but I have to fill in the white ones because it's within Europe, so we have to do that. Importation, re-exportation, and so on and so on. You can see it's been already some places: Schiphol, Sevilla, Austin. So yeah, it's been around. Here's Sevilla again, and now we're in Hoek van Holland. So yeah, let's wait until this queue is driving. There's a queue in front of me. When we get the green light, we can go through customs, show our passport, and then yeah, like I said, do the carnet stuff. Hopefully everything checks out, and yeah, we can go on the boat as soon as possible. I can see the boat already laying there, so let's wait and see. So here we are back in the Netherlands. Yeah, man, what a weekend it's been. Another busy weekend, and the results were, let's face it, bad. They were really bad, and yeah, we have to improve a lot. That means a lot of hard work, and yeah, this weekend I was too busy with my job, so yeah, I could not film that much during the day. I'm sorry for that. I hope in Red Bull Ring I can film a bit more. And yeah, like I said, back in the Netherlands, first I had to do the carnets. So the carnets are done. I just had them stamped again. This is just one, I have 8 more. And this one I actually have to bring to our transporter here in the Netherlands to send to Japan. So I have to go there first. It's more or less on the way, so no big drama there. And then I go back to my house and yeah, park it for 1 week, and then it's off to Austria. So yeah, for now I'm gonna drive back. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, of course, again, do the thumbs up. And also for the last one, thanks a lot for all your comments. And yeah, check your comment if you're one of the winners. I put a comment there as well. Hopefully you will reply to me, and we can get the t-shirts on their way. So yeah, until the next video, and let's hope we do a little bit better there. See you guys. Ciao ciao.